Hi, my name is Emma Saltel, and my research topic was the effect of anthocyanins on cognitive function in older adults, most of which with mild cognitive impairment. So, the results of my study found contrasting findings between articles. Shorter studies with fewer participants did show significant differences between anthocyanin and placebo groups in certain cognitive function tests. However, longer studies with more participants found no differences in cognitive function between placebo and anthocyanin groups. So, the conclusion that I drew from these findings is that there may be short term improvements in cognitive function with anthocyanin supplementation, but no benefit in long term cognitive improvement. Um, these findings were surprising because it does differ a lot from the background research that showed promising improvements on cognitive function with anthocyanin intake. And based on these findings, I would be interested in seeing future research focusing on different supplement amounts, differences in study length with like the same intervention, and also more investigation into which cognitive function tests see the most differences between groups. So which task specifically shows the most improvement or doesn't show improvement. More research on the differences between supplementation versus whole fruit anthocyanin content would also be beneficial, since only one article I reviewed focused on that. Overall, my study was surprising to me because I thought that I was going to find a lot of evidence showing improvement in cognitive function, especially with all of the different pathways that anthocyanins can work in the body and the brain. However, my findings did not show any very strong evidence for improvement.